In this video, we are going to go over marking a note as studied and bookmarking. These two functions are intertwined, as marking a note as studied will affect your bookmarks. Marking a note as studied can be a great way to track your progress as you navigate through the map. Any unstudied node on the map will have a red border. As you can see, this current node is unstudied because it has a red border. When you have gone over a node's content and feel confident with the information, you can click on the envelope icon in the node footer, and the border will turn yellow, marking it as studied. It is important to note that if a node you marked as studied is changed in any way, it will default back to the not studied state with a red border. This is why bookmarking can be important, because it will help you keep track of nodes that you like that have been updated. When you have found a node on the map that you think is particularly useful, you can bookmark it to be notified of any proposed changes. To bookmark a node, click on the banner icon in the node footer. Any changes to a bookmarked node are reflected in the Bookmarked Updates tab in the sidebar that is to the left of the screen. You may notice that the node I just bookmarked is not displayed in this tab. This is because the node is currently marked as studied. A node will only appear in the Bookmarked Updates tab when it is marked as not studied. Right now, there is currently one bookmarked node that has been updated and therefore marked as not studied on the map. To easily navigate to this node, click on the node title. Once you have reviewed the changes that have been made to the node, you can mark this node as studied again, and you can see that it has disappeared from the Bookmarked Updates tab. If you do not want to have a node bookmarked anymore, you can simply click on the banner icon again. And that is how you mark a node as studied in 1Cademy and use bookmarking. Please refer to the 1Cademy help notes for more information.